Okay, we have a 15 by 50 Clausen Colchester Professional Series engine lathe, model TRUIMPH 15VS, serial number VT1199. Machine was new in 1999. We're gonna run her through it for you. It's got original paint, variable speed. Right now we're in the, what, low gear? Middle gear. So again, it's from 14 to 2,500 RPM, variable in 3 ranges. We have a Sony digital readout. Right now we're running the longitudinal feed. You can see it on the DRO. Cross feed, see it also on the DRO and mechanically moving. Machine also has a thread dial indicator. This, and now we're threading. All right. Brake. We're going into low range. Machine has a 3-jaw Pushman chuck on it. We also have a faceplate that comes with it. That's the high range, very quiet. All ranges are quiet, but the high range especially. 550 RPM. Machine also has a cover on the lead screw. That's your tailstock. Tailstock has a number 5 Morse taper. The bed is nice and clean. Waves are in good shape. You have a live center in the tailstock as well. Hey, thank you for watching our video.